One of the biggest challenges that we face is making sure that our industry is attractive. The food and drink sector is so amazing, but I think there's so many people who would dismiss it. It doesn't have the same kudos as maybe some other careers, and I think that's a real shame. We've really got to look at ourselves and say, how do we make the industry more attractive, make roles more attractive to people so that people see the jobs in the food and drink industry as exciting, innovative and fit for the future.
We've recently published a white paper about the future of warehousing over the next 25 years. Some of the same things will apply even in a shorter time frame. We're definitely going to see more investment in warehouse property as other types of property become less attractive to investors. Some people say that it's difficult to introduce robots into an old warehouse building, but actually I visited 80 warehouses last year and I was able to see with my own eyes that it can be done.
We've noticed that the smaller customers have lowered in the last couple of years. So what we've decided to do is make some even more compact models in a more compact price.
We're finding that a lot of the conversation we're having is around the cost of labour and the difficulty in sourcing the labour.
There's a few things that keep me up at night. One of them is just really how long the brand remains so popular. I think we need to be coming up with new and exciting products that keep things moving forward. But I try and convince myself that today's problem is not the biggest problem. Tomorrow there'll be others and we'll deal with them as they come. And not every single little failure is catastrophic.
Look, these are challenging times. There's lots of things going on in the world that has impacts. What we're trying to do is reassure our customers that we're there for the long term and we're there to support what they are trying to do.